Right, hi folks, so I'm just going to try and do a quick unboxing video of a headlight I've bought. You can use these as a bike light. I intend to use it as a head torch. It's one of these ones that's got 14 Cree XML T6 attached to it, and as you can see them there laid out. Apparently this is 45,000 lumens. I can't see it's going to be as much as that. That's what it's advertised as. If it's like that, that's going to be unbelievably bright. Okay, this is how it was advertised. 14 LED Cree. So LED is light emitting diodes, as in very bright lights. 14 of them. So you could buy a headlight that's only got one of those Cree. XML T6 is the type of LED light on this, and I've seen there are other variations on this device that do use less. This is about the most powerful one I've seen on eBay. Excuse me, a mil. I won the auction on eBay for £21 for a brand new one. The majority of people in China that sell these brand new sell them for around $24.99, $25.99. So price wise I've done well on that, and this arrived. I won the auction on the 22nd of November and it arrived in the post today on the 26th of November, so that's not bad. From somebody in Manchester apparently, and there's no way that's come from China in that time, so yeah, somebody that's imported it. So oh, let me go. Alright, this is the actual advert. See that even on their own advert it says $25.99 and I got it for 21, I think. So here's the advert. I'll show you what it says. It uses now that advert there says it uses 18650 battery. Now this is the battery pack you got with it. Are there 6 there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 6. Just to show you what that type of battery is, this is from something else. This is one of them separately, okay? So much bigger than an AA battery. So there's 6 of those batteries in there. Then out of that unit there, you've got that plug there. Okay, and these last quite a long time. These are for high powered devices like a laser pointer. So on the back of this it says 8.4 volts, 88,000 mAh. So you get in the box, that's the box that came in. You get power, you get UK plug, 3-pin plug, and the end of that would go onto, that's how you would recharge the power pack. You also get a head strap which says power, high power headlamp on it. You can feel it's just plastic and it doesn't feel particularly strong or long lasting. And then you get the actual light. There's the on off button on the back. I've shown you that's what the LEDs are to make it really bright. And then the cable there, again that's what you would plug into the power pack if you were cycling along. The problem is if you've got that on your head, let's say I do manage to attach the light to the strap and I'm weighing out my head, I've then, in order to power that, I've got to have the weight of this power pack somewhere, and where? You can't just strap that onto this flimsy head strap, so where are you supposed to put that? You'd have to have a pocket high up on your arm or something for the actual power pack. So that's one thing they haven't thought of, which may well mean I'm going to have to come up with some bodge job way to carry this. And it does have a case like this, but again, where are you going to strap that to? It does have a what would you strap that to? That's a problem. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to carry the battery pack around when I'm using this as a head torch. Anyway, I haven't tried this yet. Oh, and also last thing that comes in there, inside this little plastic bag, there's like rubber bits that you can use to wind around the handlebar if you're going to use this as a bike headlight. Okay, So let's now attach the power pack to the light. Oh, and I can see a green light's come on the back of the device. Can you see that? Alright, let's press it once. Ah, fucking hell, that's bright. Shit. Bloody hell, that is really bright. Yeah. They were not lying about how bright this is. Bloody hell. Okay, that is seriously bright. I'm going to press it one more time. Oh, it seems to have gone dimmer, so using less lights. Knock it down one more time. Ah! That's flashing. Bloody hell. I'll give someone an epileptic fit. And that's off. Yeah, that is seriously bright, so... Oh my god. That's the light on my camcorder just came on then, but... Yeah, that is seriously bright. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn the light off on my computer. I'll turn the light off in my room here, and then we'll see how bright this actually is. Okay, so that's the camcorder light that's just giving me a bit of light here in the room. There's my computer monitor. There's nothing amazing for you to be showing. I'll show you. There's my computer there. Okay, so now I can't get the light off the camcorder, unfortunately. Anyway, that's how bright it is with the camcorder. I'll now put the light on. Yeah, that is really bright. That is excellent. Okay, do it one more time. That's the slightly dimmer setting on the headlight. One more time, that's it flashing. And that's off. And that's just the camcorder light. So one more time I'll do the headlight. Oof, jeez, that's bright. Okay, that's just the camcorder light now. The actual bike light is off. There's no... that's my camcorder switching on and off for some reason. Okay, right. Nothing else amazing. I can actually show you where I am to show you the strength of the light. But anyway, one more time. Light, full brightness. Whoa. Wow, that is... yeah. That's excellent, really. That's the dimmer setting. There's flashing. Right. Okay, I think that gives you a good idea. Just going to put some light back on. Okay, so this is just an unboxing video. Once I've actually set this up, and that's one other problem, there's no instructions whatsoever. Because I'd like to know, how do you attach this? That's what the back of the light looks like. You've got that little bit there, two little notches. How is that supposed to attach to the head strap? And without instructions, this is where people go wrong and they end up breaking stuff. I'm not sure how exactly I'm supposed to attach this. Let me just put the camcorder down. So on the outside, the roundness of it fits the roundness of that. That kind of gives you that movement. But if I was using this as a head torch, I'd need this to be fully secure on there. So how do you do that? I can't push that hook there that I'm touching. See that shape there? That will not go underneath there. So it's not a case of trying to wedge it under there, because that will not fit. And likewise the other end, I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that on that side. So you're supposed to use those rubbery things. Let's have a look. Oh, I hate it when they don't give you any instructions. So stupid of them to give no instructions. Alright, just opening up the packet, getting out these two. Let's show you. These are the two different sized rubber clips that I believe are for attaching the light to a handlebar to use it as a bike light. But again, without instructions, I don't know where I'm supposed to strap these to. So, God, that's just... I'm going to have to see if I can find somebody else's video to figure out how to actually set this up. Anyway, for now, that's my unboxing video. Hope that gives you an idea what to expect in the package. A couple of other quick things I'll do. I've got a ruler here. I'll quickly measure the length of these cables so you get a rough idea. So, the cable from the back of the light, I'll tell you in centimetres. Most people know centimetres and metres, so this is going to be roughly, so 30, 60, I make that about 76 centimetres long, that cable from the back of the light. That's very roughly, done very quickly. And the length of the cable from the back of the battery pack is, try and hold this out straight, more than 30 centimetres. 30 is to there, so 30, about 37 centimetres long, that. And the length of cable from the 3-pin UK plug is, again, it's going to be more than 30, 30 is to there, and it's all bunched up because it's been in the box, so it's going to be more than 60. So this is hard to do while holding a camcorder. 60, 60, closer to 90 centimetre that is. Whoa, okay. Right, there you go, that's my unboxing video. I hope you like that. Click like if you like that. Subscribe to me. Ask me some questions if you want. I think I've shown you enough so that you understand what's in the box and how it arrives. No instructions, no explanation of how to attach the light to the head strap, no explanation on how you're supposed to walk around with the battery pack if you're using the light on your head. Where on earth are you supposed to put that? So yeah, there's a few things I haven't thought of. Most notably, instructions and how to carry the battery pack around are not explained, so not too impressed with the lack of information. But hopefully I'll get some use out of the light. I might have to come up with my own way to wear this battery pack in proximity to the head torch. Right, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.